Gyeon Trim is a super durable one-layer ceramic coating for any type of plastic or trim with some great hydrophobic benefits. Let's find out. Before starting the application of Gyeon Trim, it's really important that you clean your plastic or trim to remove it from any possible contaminants. Using Gyeon Prep before starting this application is key. When you start application Gyeon Trim, use a liberate amount on your sweat applicator. Try to rub it into your plastic or trim and then give it a final wipe down after 20 seconds with a good microfiber cloth. The application of Gyeon Trim can be done on any type of plastic and even on your front or rear headlights of the car. The benefit of the product is it will give you a great UV protection, it will add depth to your plastic and leave a great finish. This will also be added with super hydrophobicity. Some advice we can give you: when you have really porous plastic, try to use our Gyeon microfiber applicator. Use the Gyeon Trim and rub the product into the plastic pore structure. After that, when you're finished with the job, take a second one and give it a final wipe down.